Alright, Chef Buck here. Today we're going to cook up a super simple cauliflower snack. It's a cauliflower hack for a cauliflower snack. This is all you need right over here. And a couple of bowls. You can do this all in one big bowl if you want. And I'm just going to take a few florets and break them off in each bowl. We're just going to put a smidgen of water in each one. Just an itsy bitsy teeny weeny, and adjust the amount of water depending on how much cauliflower you're nuking and how long you're going to do it for. We're just going to throw them in a microwave. Alrighty, so that took way too long. Why do people think microwaves are so fast? I've got these to the tenderness that I like. Not super duper overly gushy, but soft enough. You don't just zap it till it reaches that doneness that you like. Now we're just going to cover these up with a little bit of sauce and cheese, and the sauce is going to be super simple. We're going to throw in a little bit of mustard. Is that enough, camera girl? Is that too much? You're going to want to use more mayonnaise than mustard. A little bit of mayonnaise, and use whatever ratio of mayonnaise to mustard you like, but definitely at least twice as much mayonnaise as mustard. Now we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. That's it. There aren't a whole lot of ingredients to this. This is just a quick cauliflower snack. You
could always add onion powder, garlic powder, or minced garlic or onion too.
Yeah, make it as complicated as you like. Now we're going to take our sauciness and spoon it over our cauliflower and cover it up. Now I got a little shredded cheddar here. This is kind of a cheddar jack. So just sprinkle that all over the top of your cauliflower. So we got it sauced up, cheesed up. Slide it back in the microwave. Let it zip zap for another minute. 1, 2. Do a little dance. Eat a lot of cauliflower.
Get down tonight.
So we zip zapped it. Does that look like it's melted up enough?
Oh, yeah.
That looks bueno to me. It's so good. It's an actual treat. I could have had a bowl of Oreos, but instead I'm having a bowl of cauliflower.
With mayonnaise and cheese.
I got mayonnaise and cheese in here, which isn't what Olympians eat, but still, it's on cauliflower. The cauliflower cam, that was way more than we needed to see. But definitely give this little snack a try. If you want to print the recipe, go to myfoodchannel.com. All our recipes are over there. But thanks for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the future. Bye-bye.